How you doing? My name is Vantino Johnson. I am from Washington, D.C. I'm a full stack web developer. Thanks to Savvy Coders full stack development course. I really want to thank Savvy Coders for the experience and opportunity to learn a skill that is going to help shape my future for sure. They were 100% a life changing connection, I can say. Um, I'm really excited to introduce you guys my project, and it's called Wherever. So, to go into my background, I came from a background of logistics and I also hold a bachelor's degree in biology. While these fields may seem a little unrelated to tech or even fashion, which you'll see coming up, how my project kind of is integrates fashion into it. But these two fields, logistics and biology and chemistry, they've given me the foundation in problem solving, organization, and also innovation. Um, so that's pretty cool. Over time, I've realized the need for like a more practical and creative tool to simplify our daily fashion choices, especially for those with busy schedules. So this project, wherever, inspired me to develop throughout my cohort with Savvy Coders. In the cohort, we worked in an agile environment, and I would really like to get into that. We were working in a team of five, each of us with a different project, but same end goal, which was pretty cool. Working in agile taught me the importance of breaking projects into manageable pieces, staying flexible, and the continuous motivation to seek feedback in order to improve. For whatever, I adopted the agile mindset by starting with a minimum product, a simple way for users to upload garments and create outfits. As part of my agile experience, I had the opportunity to work as a scrum master. For those who may not be familiar, the scrum master is kind of like the team coach. So my job was to make sure everybody on the team could do their best work, whether that meant clearing the roadblocks, keeping focused on priorities, or fostering good communication. Um, when I started building wherever, I realized how much that experience like shaped my approach. Just being in that agile environment. Period. I treated the project like a series of sprints because in the cohort we worked in sprints and we were able to break it down into smaller goals, test our ideas, and make improvements based on feedback. It wasn't just about completing the project, which is why I really enjoyed moving through this core and building this website. It was just about making sure each piece works and functions well and added value to your end goal. So being a scrum master taught me the power of collaboration and also listening to input, which was important in making wherever something that could really work for for the people, for your audience. So that was pretty cool. I would like to explain before I get into showing you the website. I kind of want to tell you my inspiration to wherever. The idea for wherever came from a simple everyday challenge, which was figuring out what to wear. Um, I've always believed that fashion should be fun and expressive, but for a lot of us, it can feel like a chore, especially when we're busy running around, you have work, you might have children, school, whatever. I wanted to create a tool that makes styling outfits simple and accessible, something that lets you make the most of your closet without the stress. The inspiration really came from those moments of just standing in front of your wardrobe, feeling like you had nothing to wear, even though it was full of clothes. The goal with Wherever is to empower people to get creative with their wardrobe, to rediscover pieces that they might have overlooked or that might be hidden, and to simplify the process of putting together great outfits, whether you're getting ready for work, a night out, or just running errands. At its heart, WEAREVER is about making fashion more personal, convenient, and fun. It's a way to bring a bit of ease and creativity into our daily lives so we can focus on what really matters. Before showing you the project, I definitely, or the website, I definitely want to get into my wireframes. Um, Here you can see my wireframes, and excuse my art skills, you guys. Excuse my art skills. So I want to show you first. This is how I kind of intended, or before really knowing any type of code or anything. This is how I kind of wanted my website to look, and it was a really cool process of just actually accomplishing some of these things and actually getting it done. So a lot of these things are similar and different at the same time. I've added features and took some out just based on functionality and based on the feedback and what I feel will be more user friendly. So this is the home page of how I wanted it, and just to have like an about section just explaining what WEAREVER is about. I also have an idea of adding like a preview section where you can preview your garments and or maybe outfits that are on that page that say that all your outfits are saved on. And then hopefully in the future I can integrate some like third party connections where I can add different posts or different garments or maybe a website that sells clothes and partner with them to be able to have them feature on my website and just to give the user a more friendlier like outlook and more open outlook on fashion and where to go. So yeah, and then my outfit generator page was this is the approach that I initially intended to do, which was have like drop down menus of hats, tops, bottoms, and shoes, and then to be able to just choose between the options, and then the outfit would just preview right here before you want to save it. Um, I went a different approach, and I'll show you why. I just feel like it was just been a bit more user friendly. And then you can also see I have my contact me and about me page just to keep it simple. So I can really get into the project now or into the website into WEAREVER. So let me start with the home page. Um, so this is welcome to WEAREVER, your digital closet companion. It's just I know it's not much style right now, so just bear with me and I promise you, real soon this will be done. Just stick around. On my homepage, I actually implemented the Open Weather Map API. This gives like the user the ability to just it helps out when choosing an outfit. I implemented this because I feel like it was just important to when thinking about the weather and what you're gonna wear. It's just I feel like the two go hand in hand. So that's the reason why I implemented showing the weather and having that API on my home screen. I would definitely make this more user friendly also. But I'll continue to the create your outfit page. So on this page, you're able to see the outfits that in the future you'll be able to upload. These are pre-saved items that are already that are already pre-saved to the back end of the website. So you're able to click through the garments, and once you click through the garments, and you'll know they're clicked by the outline that is around it, and then you're able to actually click the outfit generator button and see the garments or see the outfit that you put together. Now, this page and the next page to me were the most important of the project because this is where I was able to build the API, connect to the database that was able to save the data and save your outfits so that you can come back at a later time and look at them. So this, I would say we'll create a name And what name would it be? Let's just say outfit 2024. And then you can click the submit button, which will take you to the gallery page. The gallery page is the page that shows all your saved garments, all your saved outfits that you put on here. You'll be able to see on this page, which is really cool. As you'll see, I've saved several outfits with those pre-saved um, options, so that's awesome. And the database MongoDB actually gave me the ability to be able to save them on here. In the future, I do want to add on the option to be able to delete outfits or edit them, and just to change things around possibly. Um, I have the ability to do it on the back end, but I'm working through the code to allow the user to be able to do it on the front end, just to be able to click through. Maybe they just don't want this outfit there, or they already wore it, so they want to delete it, and that's pretty cool. I want to add that on there, and I'll be adding that on there in the near future. And then I can go. I also want to show you guys the code. I also want to show you guys how I was able to communicate with the API, because I feel like this was probably the the most proud moment I had of this. This is like my baby. Um, just creating the API and having this REST API be able to save the outfit and meet with the backend. And here, as you'll be able to see, the each garment when clicked was able to be saved to the store. And once the event listener was added, it was pushed back or posted to the outfit generator API, and then forwarded from the backend once saved, forwarded to the gallery page. And that was a lot of work. It was a lot to figure out, but I did it, and I'm really proud of that. I'm very proud of that part of this website, and there will be a lot more coming in the future. So bear with me. Here's also the contact me page where you can get in touch with me, and you can send an email, things like that. And yeah, so I appreciate you guys for listening in on the creation of my website, wherever and where I'm currently at. By the way, I am working hard on the style of the website the next couple weeks, and I will be uploading a new video. So please stay tuned, and please check back with me in 2 weeks to be exact, and you'll be able to see a more user-friendly website. And I've really just had the time to focus on the functionality, but now that I've finished that part of the website, I can get into the additions and the extra functions and the look of it. And that's where I'm headed. And I appreciate you guys a lot for staying tuned with me. So have a good one.